guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Marshmallow Sister. So today I'll talk and unboxing custom PC bases. So let's start our video. So here we have Ryzen processor from AMD company, from third generation processor from Cayenne 3600X Ryzen 5. Here we have a RAM from Corsair company with the size 16 gigabytes and with the Hazelly 3200 megahertz. And here we have idle cooler, is water cooling for processor instead air cooler. And here we have card graphic processor graphic from Galax company with kind RTX 2016 Super with size 8 gigabytes. Here we have a motherboard from Gigabyte company with kind P450 Arson. Here we have a final form of a custom PC, considered the best way to edit video and make render. So I used this custom PC to make my video on YouTube, the new video on my YouTube. So here we have a light to give a beautiful form. See you tomorrow in a new video with me, Marshmallow Sister. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Peace.
When I was younger, I slept on the floor all the time. It wasn't more comfortable than my bed, but at least I felt safe that way. When I was younger, I slept on the floor all the time. I figured that way if the monsters crept out, I would see them.